been a while since the last update on the Thai house build. With the render completed in the last video, all the builders took a long holiday for Songkran, the Thai New Year's. I was beginning to think they might not come back, but eventually work resumed, and I'm excited to show you the next stage as they start to put in the water and electric. Right, we're making progress again. So we've had a long break over Songkran, longer than I expected. So Songkran lasts about 3 or 4 days. It's big water fights and everything. Sort of it's the Thai New Year's in a way. But anyway, that was over a week ago now. And what happens, I think, is many Thais use it as an opportunity to take some time off and go visit family. So they might take an extended Songkran. But anyway, today it's a Sunday and it's all kicking off today. Lots happening today. So let me show you what's happening today. So first thing is, we've just had the water connected. So you'll see over here, they've dug out some concrete's just been poured. And we've got a water meter. That's a Thai water meter. Don't know if I can open it. Oh yeah, there we go. And that's the stop tap for it. So yeah, we had to pay the village chief. He's in charge of that, so we paid him to come and connect it. And it ended up being quite a lot because there was a lot of pipe to buy. So it was, I think initially they quoted as 7k, but then it ended up being 10k, 10,000 baht to install that. So, but we don't really have a choice if we wanted to connect to the village water because we have to pay what they tell us, and it ended up being quite expensive. And yeah, so the connection point is all the way down there. Yeah, so that's installed, so quite happy with that. We now have water, and then they filled in some concrete and just left it like that. But of course someone could just drive over it, so I've put a paint can there to hopefully stop people driving over it until it's dried, so we don't have loads of tyre marks. But yeah, right, and then in the house, so of course render all got finished. There's still to do under all the windows, but everywhere is done, including inside. And we've finally got the electricians back. They were the main ones we were waiting for. Oh, actually, before I get onto the electric, they've also done the plumber's bin, and he's done inside the bathrooms. So, yeah, rather differently from what we do in the UK, a lot of the pipings run in the ground rather than in the walls. So they dug out a little channel and yeah, put the pipes in the floor. So yeah, quite different. And then also what they do, so you'll see the shower pipe, it's quite far away from the wall, and that's because they'll build some more brick out here, and that's what they do to hide the pipes. They'll just build, I think they're going to build brick up to about this height for the sink, so there'll be a little shelf there, and then they'll also build brick in the shower area up to the roof. Yeah, so that's what they do for that. So when they're doing that, I don't know. But anyway, making progress. They're getting all the plumbing's done, and we've got the electrics going in now. So they're just doing some more conduits. I'll head outside. Millie's here enjoying the sun. Yeah, so there's the conduit running along there. And they put all them in. Junction box over there, and then they put the wires in. I'll go show you the wiring because that's in the truck. Yeah, so that's got, oh, and that's for the lights, ducting for the lights, all the lights. So yeah, let me take you to the truck and I'll show you what wire they're using. Oh, it's over there, this truck. Yeah, so rather strangely in Thailand, they don't use like a free core wire like we'd use in the UK where all the strands are together in one big wire. They use individual wires. So there's like an earth one and it's an individual wire. And that's the way they do it. So yeah, they're all the different wires going in. And yeah, we'll see what it looks like when they put it all in. But they seem to know the stuff, these lot. I was asking them about a ground rod. That's over there, you'll see. That's for the ground. And yeah, that's the electric.
The electrics is something I've been worrying about. Back in the UK, electrical regulations are very strict and a lot of certification is needed to be able to work on electrics. Hence, my own electrical knowledge is fairly limited. And in Thailand, electrical standards are notorious for not being the best. So I was happy therefore to see all the plastic ducting going through the metal roof space. The inclusion of earth wires and finally the correct thickness of wire with a thicker gauge wire used for the sockets.
Yeah, so that's it for now. They'll finish off the electrics, get them all ready, and then they'll be able to start the plastering and flooring. That'll be the last bit. So they'll be back, I suspect, over the next couple of days. But unfortunately, I'm really running out of time. The build is a couple of weeks behind schedule, and it was one of the reasons it was so tight is I have to return to the UK in less than 2 weeks. So yeah, we're definitely not going to be finished by then, unfortunately. But what I'm going to do before I leave is there's some bits I need to sort out. I need to sort out the wall, which I don't have much time, so I'm just going to put a barbed wire fence along there. So I'll be doing that next time. And we're going to be putting a car shelter in the corner. I need to do that before I go as well. So next time, we'll check on the electrics and see how they are. Hopefully they're all right, but they should be. We'll check on that. They'll be starting the plastering, hopefully, of getting the ceilings up. They're all to go up, so they'll be putting the plastering of that up, putting the ceilings up, getting the plastering in, and I'll be doing the car shelter with my mate Finn. So yeah, that'll be the next episode, and then we'll see where we're at then. But anyways, we'll see you next time.
In the next episode, with the builders finishing off the house, it's time to get out the welder as me and my mate Finn build the garage.